He's walking. He's walking. He's walking, Rich. He's walking on all fours. And then she's gonna come along and knock him. What a good little boy. Yes, we love you. Yes. You're such a good little man. Come on, boy. He wants to walk. Come on, boy. Come on, baby. What a good boy. What a good boy. He's doing it, Rich. Look at that. See? See, Rich? He puts all, most of his weight.
He's getting there.
Good boy.
Only a matter of time.
Good boy. The floor is a little rough. Come here. Gonna slide. I guess she doesn't mind watching him walk a little. Come back. Look. Look at him.
He's getting tired.
I think he's enjoying himself. But he's trying to get on the floor for some reason. You wanna go back in your box? He's walking like a pro. But he wants to walk this way.
Don't overdo it with him.
Alright, that's it.
It's a baby.
Go ahead. Go ahead, boy. Oh, what a picture that is.
Holds his head up good.
Yeah. Come here, boy. What was that? Jimmy leg?
Spastic flip.
The Jimmy legs?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's gonna...
Feeding time at the OK Corral.
Good boy. 2.5 weeks old. It's a baby Yoda. Okay, we don't want to overdo it. You're walking really nice. He wants to walk on the floor. I don't know what he likes about that floor.